Welcome to all of you Shiksha 360, and today we will discuss basically some case studies, or these case studies are basically like simple numerical questions. Clear? Basically they will ask in the retail either numericals or case study basically based on theory also. Clear? So let's discuss. First of all, we will discuss basically simple case study on depreciation. Clear? Case study number 2, case study number 1 we have already covered, that is on credit card. This is case study number 2, that is basically on depreciation. Clear? Basically when we covered or when we discuss depreciation in regular session, basically depreciation is basically we have covered two types. One is straight line method. Second, basically two types of depreciation. One is straight line method. Second one is WDV, return down value method. Return down value method. Clear? So basically on the basis of that, basically now we will discuss one question. Clear? On the basis of that, basically now we will discuss one question, and that question is basically we can say that a case study type question. Clear? Basically in one question, basically they have asked 3 questions. Clear? So let's start our discussion on that. Basically they are saying that basically Mahek Enterprises buy a machine for rupees 20,000. Clear? Basically Mahek Enterprises, here it is a firm. Clear? That firm basically buys a machine. Clear? That firm basically buys a machine, and the cost of the machine is basically the cost of the machine is rupees 20,000. Clear? So basically first of all we will know basically what is the formula of the depreciation. Basically there are different formulas. Clear? For depreciation, for straight line method formula is different, and for other method WDV method formula is different. Clear? So let's discuss once again. So basically Mahek Enterprises buy a machine for rupees 20,000. Clear? So basically we can say that the original cost C is basically we can donate with the C. C is basically rupees 20,000, and the rate of depreciation is 10%. Clear? Here the depreciation is 10%. Clear? So basically first of all, first question basically we have to find the depreciate value of the machine after 3 years. Clear? Basically how much value of the machine basically after 3 years. Clear? So let's discuss that. So basically first year, how much depreciation? Basically 10%. So 20,000 minus 10% of 20,000. So if you have good in percentage, you can directly know that is 2,000. Clear? So 20,000 minus 2,000, it is to be 18,000. So basically amount after first year, it comes out to be 18,000. After basically second year, depreciation is same, 18,000 minus 10%. 10% is rupees 1,800. This comes out to be rupees 16,200. Now basically find the depreciate value of the machine after 3 years. So basically now third year, rupees 16,200, 10% is 1,620. Clear? So when we subtract 16,200 minus 1,620, it comes out to basically 14,580. Clear? 14,580. Clear? Basically, so they will ask any question. Clear? Here first question is find the depreciate value of the machine after 3 years. So basically answer is rupees 14,580. Clear? So basically this is the answer of the first question. Clear? In this way basically they will ask any question, or otherwise basically how we can calculate the depreciate value. Clear? Basically if we are going to calculate the depreciate value in one line. Clear? Basically how we can calculate, let's discuss the formula for that. Depreciate is basically, we can discuss like that way, value is equal to, this is the value after 3 years. Clear? C into 1 minus depreciation power n. Clear? So basically 20,000, 1 minus depreciation is 10%, 0.1 power n, basically, and how many? 3 years. Clear? So 20,000 into 0.9 power 3. So 0.9 power 3, basically we will know that basically 9 power 3. It is basically 0.729, clear? 20,000 into 0.729. So when we will multiply by 20,000, we will get here basically 14,580 rupees, clear? So basically this is the value left after 3 years, clear? Basically this is the value left after 3 years, clear? So you can use either way, clear? Basically you can use any way to solve the question. Next, what is the amount of depreciation, clear? What is the amount of depreciation? Depreciation is equal to 20,000 minus 14,580, clear? So basically whatever we left here, 20,000 minus 14,580, basically we will left here basically 5,420 rupees. 5,420 rupees, clear? Basically this is the amount of depreciation, clear? This is the amount of depreciation, clear? Next one, basically what is the average rate of depreciation, clear? Now basically we have to find that basically what is the average rate of depreciation. Average rate, basically we have to calculate, basically we have already calculated depreciation for 3 years. So basically what is the average rate, clear? So basically if we calculate rate, we can calculate like 1450, sorry, depreciation upon actual value into 100, actual value. So depreciation here is to be 5420. Actual value is 20,000. And basically we have to find the average rate. Average rate was for 3 years. So basically divide by 3 into 100. Clear? So basically why we will divide by 3? Basically for average, clear? Basically for average rate basically we will divide by 3. So when we are going to calculate this one, clear? Basically when we are going to calculate this one, basically how much we will get? Basically we will get here 9.033%, clear? 9.033%. basically this is the depreciation, average rate of depreciation. This is basically average rate of depreciation. Hope this clears to all of you basically how they will ask the question. Even if you don't know the formula, clear? Even if you don't know the formula, if you know basically just the basic concept of depreciation, you will be able to solve this question. Clear? You will be able to solve this question. What they are asking basically, they are asking that basically a firm purchases a machine or buys a machine for 20,000 and the rate of depreciation is 10%. Clear? Basically here they are saying that rate is fixed, clear? Depreciation rate is fixed, clear? 10%, clear? So first question is basically find the depreciated value of the machine after 3 years. So we will find that basically we will calculate the depreciation year by year. And after that, basically we will find that basically how much value is left after 3 years, clear? Second is basically what is the amount of depreciation, clear? So basically here what we have to do, we have to subtract the value from the original cost. And what we have to subtract, basically the depreciate value, clear? Basically the value after 3 years, we have to subtract that. And after the subtraction, basically we will get the amount of depreciation, clear? And after the subtraction, basically we will get the amount of depreciation, clear? Basically third question, basically they are saying that what is the average rate of depreciation, clear? Basically average, basically here average is basically we can say that basically average rate. So basically here we have depreciation calculated for 3 years, 1 2 3. So basically this is the total depreciation of 3 years. So basically for average, basically we have to divide it by 3 because here we have calculated the depreciation for 3 years. If we have calculated the depreciation for 2 years, then basically we have to divide by 2, clear? And if we are calculated the depreciation for 4 years, so basically in that case we have to divide it by 4, clear? In that case basically we have to divide it by 4, clear? So basically it depends upon case to case, clear? It depends upon case to case, basically what they are asking, clear? Basically what they are asking, clear? My main motive is basically just help us you to understand basically what is the question they will ask, clear? Basically how they will ask the question here. Hope this question is clear to all of you. If you have any doubt, any query, then you can ask. Basically, last step I will tell you once again. They will tell basically what is average rate of depreciation. Average rate of depreciation. So basically, first of all, here we have to give the depreciate value. How much depreciate upon, basically we have to write it as actual cost. And basically we have to find it average. So basically we have to divide it by 3 because this is the value of 3 years into 100. So depreciate value is basically how much it is depreciate, basically 5,420 rupees upon actual cost 20,000 into 1 by 3, basically for average into 100. Clear? So when we are going to calculate this one, basically we will get 9.033%. Clear? So this is the average rate of depreciation. Clear? This is the average rate of depreciation. Hope this point is clear to all of you. Clear? Now basically we will move toward the next case. That is case study on RML. Clear? RML. This is very, very important for your examination point of view. RML basically stands for the reverse mortgage loan. Clear? Basically reverse mortgage I will provide you one PDF basically after the session in your Telegram group on the reverse mortgage loan. Clear? So you have to go through that once also. Clear? Very easy, but we will expect 4 to 5 mark question from that. Clear? Basically 4 to 5 mark question from that basically on a reverse mortgage loan. And in that case, clear, if they will ask the case study also, in that even they will ask 2 to 3 theoretical question and 1 or 2 numerical questions. Clear? From the case study. Clear? But this is very, very important for your examination point of view. Clear? For your examination point of view. Clear? So let's discuss. First of all, when we will discuss reverse mortgage loan, we have to remember the formula. Clear? Basically we have to remember the formula because formula is important here. Clear? Because formula is important here in the reverse mortgage. So what is the formula for that? Basically here, basically what we have to calculate here, basically we have to calculate the installment amount. Clear? Installment amount. So basically how we can calculate the installment amount? Basically present value into loan to value ratio into I upon 1 plus I and minus 1. Clear? 1 plus I and minus 1, where n is the number of installments. Clear? Where n is the number of installments. Clear? So now let's start the reverse mortgage loan. Clear? Now let's start discussion on the reverse mortgage loan case study. Clear? Basically what they will ask here. So let's start. I here basically interest. Like in the book, basically they will, the value of I basically depend upon frequency selected. Clear? So let's discuss question. So the first question here, basically value of the property, we can say that the present value of the property is to be 50 lakh. Clear? 50 lakh. Loan amount, basically how much loan amount is basically 80%. Clear? Loan amount. Clear? Basically in the reverse mortgage loan, basically loan is not given all. Clear? Basically whatever they have value mentioned in the clear, they will not give loan of exact proper amount. Clear? Of all amount, only will give some specific percentage. So here basically loan amount is to be 80%. Clear? 80%. So that is basically known as LTV ratio. That is 80%. 0.80. Tenure is 15 years. So basically here we have to calculate the monthly installment. That is, so basically for monthly installments, basically we have to tenure is to be 12. That is 180 months. Rate is 10%, but we have to calculate the monthly installment. So basically R is equal to 10 upon 12 into 1 upon 100. This is to basically 5 upon 6 into 1 upon 100. So basically, first of all, we will 5 divided by 6 divided by 100. So we can say that 0.083. Clear? This is the value of rate. Hope this is clear to all of you. Now, basically what we have to do, just we have to put the values in the formulas. Clear? Basically just we have to put the values in the formula. So basically monthly installment. Clear? Installment PV into LTV into 1 plus I power n 1 plus I power n minus 1. So 50 lakh into 0.8 into 1 plus 0.083 power 180 upon 1 plus 0.083 power 180 minus 1. Clear? So basically from this, we are able to calculate the value. Clear? We are able to calculate the value. And one thing I will, basically when we are going to calculate this one, this is 0.0083. Clear? This is 0.0083. So basically we have to add one more zero here, one more zero here. Clear? So basically when we are going to calculate this one, clear? When we are going to calculate this one, you can do directly on the calculator. And please tell fast, what is the monthly installment? Please calculate fast and tell basically how much monthly installments you will get. So basically 1 plus 0.0083 power 180 into 0.8 into 50 into 10 power 5. So basically we will get here whatever we will get here in the numerator 1770980.6. So I request to all of you, please you can do also calculate here. So basically this is, I will write it, this is 1.0083. Clear? Not 8. I will write here 1.0083. Clear? 1.0083 power 180 minus 1. So in that denominator, basically what we have left, 3.4274. Okay, 1.0083 power 180. This one here 80%. This is multiplied by 0.8. And this one is 50 lakh. Clear? This one is a 50 lakh. So many students are facing issues. Sir, how we can calculate 1.0083 power 180? Clear? So I will update one video in the group. Clear? I will update basically how you can calculate the long powers. Clear? Basically how you can calculate the long powers. Clear? One thing, please remember, basically in the examination, they will give you that values, clear, which you can easily calculate. Clear? Which you can easily calculate. Clear? So basically when we are going to calculate this one, 1.0083 power 180, I think there is some issue in the numerator value. So let's do calculation once again. Yeah, so you can do calculation once again. I think if it is, everything is going to be correct. Clear? So you can give the answer. Clear? Basically what is the answer? So approximately you will get a 9,651. Clear? The approximate answer is to basically 9,651 here. Clear? As I think there is some issue in the calculation, we will try to solve once again here. Let's try once again here. Basically once again here, 50 into 10 raised to power 5 into 0.8 into sorry, this is the formula. Clear? This is the formula. Actually we are applying wrong formula. This is the formula and we are applying here this one. Clear? That's why basically we are getting towards the wrong answer. Clear? Multiply by 0.0083 upon 3.4274. Clear? This is not, this is the formula. Clear? So I request all of you, please correct yourself. Actually we are written here little bit wrong formula. Yes, numerator only we have I. Clear? So when we are going to calculate 0.0083 into 0.8 into 50 lakh. So basically in the numerator, basically what we will get, 33200 upon 3.4274. So when we will divide it by 3.4274, we will get here basically 9686. Clear? The exact answer is 9686. This is the exact answer. Clear? So basically here we will return little bit mistake. The correct formula is present value into LTV into I upon 1 plus I power n minus 1. Clear? Upon 1 plus I power n minus 1. Clear? So I request all of you please remember this formula. Clear? Here basically we have to calculate the monthly installment. Now next question, basically same question here. Value of the property is 50 lakh, loan amount is 80%, loan tenure is 15 years, rate of interest is 10%. Clear? Everything is here same. So basically what we have to calculate here, basically here we have to calculate the quarterly installment. Clear? Here basically we have to calculate the quarterly installment. Clear? So basically same way basically we have to calculate the quarterly installment. So value is PV is equal to 50 lakh, that is same, 50 into 10 raised to power 5. LTV is same, 0.8. Loan tenure, here basically what we will take the value of n. N is equal to, basically we have quarterly installment. So 1 year we have 4 quarters. 15 years basically we have how many quarters? 15 into 4 basically 60 quarters. So basically here the value of n is to be 60. Rate of interest is same, basically 0.0083. So quarterly installment here basically 50 into 10 raised to power 5 into 0.8 into 0.0083 upon 1 plus 0.0083 power 60 minus 1. Here the only important thing basically which you have to understand, basically what is the value of n here. Clear? Basically what is the value of n here? Basically n here is to be 60. Clear? Because in 1 year basically we have 4 quarters. In 50 years basically 15 into 4 basically we have total 60 quarters. Clear? Basically 60 quarters, and here basically we have to calculate the quarterly installment. Clear? So basically what we will get here in the numerator, 50 lakh. Please try to solve the question fast. Into 0.8 into 0.0083. So basically this is the same basically in the previous question, that is 33200. Clear? 33200, and what is the numerator? 1.0083 power 60 minus 1. Basically we will get here basically 0.64204. Clear? So 33,200 divided by 0.64204. Clear? 0.64204. Basically what we will get here basically 0.64204. Please tell fast. Please tell basically what is the answer. Basically we will get here 33200 upon 1.0083 power 60 minus 1.64204. So 33,200 divided by 0.64204. Basically what we will get here 51,710. So please check once again. Basically we are doing one mistake here. I think at any place we are doing one mistake, because in the previous question, clear, basically in the previous question we will get here what is the installment, basically 9686. Clear? 9686. And when we multiply by 3, basically we will get our installments near about 29,000. Clear? Basically we will get our installment here is to be near about 29,000. Yes, basically where we are facing the mistake in the interest rate. Clear? Here basically we are facing the interest rate. Clear? So let's do once again. R here is equal to 10 upon not 12. Clear? Basically 10 upon 4 into 1 upon 100. Clear? This is to be 1 upon 40. Clear? The interest rate here basically we will do one mistake. The interest rate here is to be 0.025. Clear? The interest rate here basically we will face issue in the interest rate. Actually I'm forgot to change the interest rate. Clear? Basically why we'll change the interest rate? Because we have to find the quarterly installment. Clear? Here basically we have changed the tenure, but I am not able to change the time. Clear? Basically, I forgot to change the time. Clear? That's why. Clear? The correct answer, basically, we will discuss once again. 50,000, 50 into 10 raised to power 5 into 0.8 into 0.025 upon 1 plus 0.025 power 60 minus 1. Please tell fast. This is the correct one. As basically I have not any written solution in my hands. Basically I have to do the solve in front of you. Clear? That's why basically sometimes we will make mistakes. Clear? So basically we have to calculate the quarterly installment. Please calculate fast. What is the basically what we will get here in the numerator? What here basically we will get in the numerator? Basically I think basically we will get 1 lakh. And in the denominator 1.025 power 60 minus 1 3.399. Basically we can say that 3.4. So basically we will get here approximate answer 29,412. Clear? So basically we will get this answer. Clear? Basically we will get this one. Clear? Option number C is the answer here. Clear? Option number C is the answer here. Clear? 29,414. Clear? 29,414. Clear? Option number C is the answer. Clear? Hope this question is clear to all of you. Clear? So I request to all of you, please go through the question very carefully and do not do these types of mistakes. Clear? Basically what we have done here. Clear? What we have done here. Clear? And I think now all of you remember basically if they will ask this type of question in the examination. Now I think all of you will remember basically how to solve these types of questions. Clear? First of all, basically what you have to do, you have to remember the formula. Clear? What is the formula of installment? The formula for the installment is equal to PV into LTV into I upon 1 plus I power n minus 1. Clear? If they ask for the monthly, so basically if they ask for the monthly, so basically we have to rate divided by 12. If they ask for the quarterly, we have to rate divided by 4. And similarly time here multiply by 12, time here multiply by 4. Here, so you have to do both the things before applying the formula. Clear? So you have to do both the things basically before applying the formula. Clear? Hope both these questions are clear to all of you. Clear? Hope both these questions are clear to all of you. Clear? So basically in this session we will discuss both these questions and I will provide you. Clear? And I will provide you basically one more case study that is basically on the depreciation in the Telegram group. Clear? So I request to you all of you, please solve that case study. And tomorrow we will discuss that case study in the Telegram group. And tomorrow we will provide you basically 3 to more case studies, basically 2 case studies on the income tax, basically how much income tax we deducted, and 1 case study more on the educational loan. Clear? 1 case study on the educational loan. We will discuss all these things. Clear? And 1 case study more basically which we have to discuss tomorrow, that is on capital gain. Clear? On capital gain. Clear? We will discuss all these case study tomorrow. Clear? In the meanwhile, I'll request to all of you, please concentrate on your study and try to thoroughly cover all the concepts. Clear? So thanks to all of you for attending this session.